workflow and chatbot automation for you to show you how the AI is powerful for the small businesses and how it can save a ton of time for them. So this is a conversational flow, and here is the N10 small automation, fill the form and Google Sheets. So now we will test this. We can put this chatbot on Messenger, DMs of our social media and our website. So hi, uh, this is for our dental hospital. This chatbot name is Dentoni Support. So the hospital has 3 branches. So we will select one. We will book appointment. After that book appointment, we will ask it some questions to test it. So it give us 2-step appointment booking process. So first of all, fill the form, and second, go to the Calendly link and uh, choose your desirable slot. So first we will fill the form. So these are 4 details: uh, patient name, phone number, email, treatment needed. So submit. So it is submitted. So we will go check the Google Sheets. Is it actually saved in it or not? So let's see. Here is our new data entered into the Google Sheets. We can add any CRM we like. So now Calendly. So we can press a Calendly link, so we can book appointment here. So that is, and now we will ask it some questions. Do you have any more questions? So we will say yes. This small automation can save a ton of time of small business. That is, time is a most valuable asset for the businesses. So say timings. A lot of patients call and also message on the contact number of the uh, hospital or a clinic, and they waste a ton of time on answering a simple questions. So it give us timing. So now we say location. This is a very simple and simplified automation for a little implemented in the mid-size and large businesses according to their uh, size. So now we will ask it about services. It's answering like a in seconds. So it gave us the service stack of service. So it can live on the website of the business and all the social media handles, and handle 70% of their inquiries that are coming from the customers. And a lot of customers are gone because of late reply or no reply from the business. So they choose another business that is reliable or responsive. This basically is the reminder system automation. So here is the system workflow that send reminders before 24 hours of appointment. So our scheduled time trigger the full automation every hour, and go check the Google Calendar. If any appointment is after 24 hours, it go and trigger the basic LLM chain. Here the OpenAI model LLM generate a personalized message for the patient. So it goes to the email trigger node, and it send the personalized email reminder to the patient. We can add the WhatsApp reminder and the SMS reminder for our patients. Mid-sized businesses that have a lot of incoming inquiries, and they are losing a lot of uh, patients and bleeding everywhere. So what's the excuse to not adopting this incredible crazy automations that can save you ton of time and money?